Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change language on Western Union account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a preferred web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in westernunion.com and search. Make sure that you're signed into your Western Union account as well. After you are signed into your account, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the menu button. Now click on settings from the list. Under settings, scroll down and click on the language options that are available from the language list. Click on any language available and click yes in order to change your language on Western Union. And that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.